Create beautiful, responsive, and flexible web page layouts for your WordPress site with the aBlocks Container Block. Let's start the ultimate guide to creating stunning layouts with aBlocks. Start by opening a web page in Gutenberg. Click on the plus icon in your desired section, then search for Container. Select a layout to structure your design perfectly. Click on the Settings icon to open the editing panel. Personalize the container layout with a full width or boxed layout. Set precise width using percentage or pixel values. Customize height to match your design needs. Enjoy the flexibility to customize your container's direction. Easily adjust alignment to suit your design needs. Adjust row gaps to create balanced spacing between rows. Set column gaps for a clean, organized layout. Enable wrapping to ensure seamless content flow. Easily manage overflow settings for clean layouts. Adjust column direction to suit your design style. Justify items effectively to create balanced spacing. Align items precisely for a polished, professional look. Next, navigate to the responsive area to preview your design across different devices. Ensure your layout looks stunning on desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. Need more layouts? Simply click the plus icon inside the container to add additional sections or elements. This allows you to expand and refine your design effortlessly. And that's it! You've now mastered the aBlocks Container Block to create professional, responsive layouts for your WordPress site. See you in the next video.